Good morning, guys. Buenos dias. So I wanted to show you my underarm routine. Sorry if my camera's a little crooked. So I just took a shower, so just remember when you are showering, scrub, scrub, scrub. Use a body scrub. This is gonna be like a two-step thing. So today I'm just gonna record what you're supposed to do, and then the next day I'm going to show you how to properly use chemical peels. Please do know, side note, that I am not a doctor or an esthetician or any sort of professional. This is just me using it on my own will, so if you do it, it's on your own risk. So I already applied my basically like Vaseline. I'm not even going to try to pronounce this name, but I think it's Aquaphor or something like that. But I get this at Target, and I love the fact that it has the texture of Vaseline, but also like a texture of like a thick body butter. So I like things like this because I am mixed. So my skin during the winter in New York, it's killer season, okay? So especially with my lips. So we're gonna put that here. But so this is what I like to do. I like to put a little bit. I have nails, so I like to put a little bit. I just freshly shaved with a new razor. So you just, don't overdo it, because you don't want to like basically damage the skin. Like I tell you, if you have hyperpigmentation and you're already shaving, you're already basically breaking the top layer, and your body's just gonna add on basically scabs, right? So that's what you get, that 5 o'clock shadow. I usually get my 5 o'clock shadow really bad and more noticeable when my little hairs start to grow in. So I let it grow in about like a rice grain, not even a rice grain, like a half a rice grain, and then I shave. I know that's kind of weird for a lot of people, because a lot of people don't like that much hair, but I'm just letting you know it's better that way, because you don't want to just keep going at it, you know what I mean? So I do it a couple of times, and this is how you know if you're doing it a little too much, is when you start to feel that sensation of like an ow, right? So just stop right there, switch to the other arm, and just don't, that means you already did it, and you overdid it at the same time. So let's just get right into it. So I have this on, and you just, oh, hold on, I'm sorry that my camera is giving that little, it's a glare in the back, I'm sorry. So you just put a little bit of this on right here, and then you do it on the other side. So my arms aren't that bad. Like I said, like I have hyperpigmentation skin, and I have not done my chemical peel yet, so I have to do another one. Let me try to like block out the light on this side. Hold on, let me go over here. There it is. So you get a little 5 o'clock shadow if you do have a hyperpigmentation skin, but that is normal for a lot of people. I used to have it bad, like I said. It used to be 10 times worse than this. I kind of was embarrassed by it, and I had like basically an ex-boyfriend way back when I was young said something about it, and I was extremely embarrassed. So then when I got a little older, I started investing in skincare products, how to do it. I use everything you've seen on basically YouTube. I have tried the lemon with the what you would call baking soda. I tried that. I tried so many other things, but again, you just have to be willing to just keep going and don't give up. Certain things, lemon and baking soda might work for somebody else, but it might not work for you. I know it didn't work for me, and I just went to try chemical peels, and it totally worked. So I was like, you know what, let me keep doing that. And also waxing might help, but with waxing and hyperpigmentation, that's another thing, that it will cause basically more pigment to the skin. But yeah, protection layer basically. So this is it. So tomorrow I'm gonna let my arms rest, and then I will be taking another shower, coming on here, and then applying chemical peel freshly onto my skin, and I'll show you guys that tomorrow. I'm super excited. So yeah, later. Buenos dias, guys, again, and see you tomorrow morning. Hi everyone, it's Jessica. I'm back. Technically this is day 3. Yesterday I wasn't feeling myself because it was that time of the month. So yeah, so this week I was just, you know, cranky, moody, and all of that. So I'm sorry if this camera frogs up. It's because of the fact that I just showered. So yeah, I'm sorry about that. So basically this is day 3 shave, so my hair is growing back, but I'm gonna show you how I you know, just use my chemical peel. Like I told you, I took like a day off, not applying that as soon as I did. Here it goes fogging up again because I could see it, or maybe that's just this. Hold on, I'm sorry guys. So yeah, I just feel like I have something in my teeth, so I'm sorry. But yeah, so I'm just gonna apply it real quick. I'm gonna open up the door, see if that helps too. Hopefully it does. But yeah, so we're just gonna get started. Here it is. This is the high power green peeling oil. So hold up, let me take a thumbnail. Okay, here we go. Sorry guys. I want to be like David Dobrik, so like, you know how he'd be pausing in the middle of it. But anyway, so yes, I got my chemical peel here, and I'm gonna find my gloves so I don't get it on my hands, because like I told you guys in my last video, this is powerful. And let me put some ointment on my lips because, you know, these braces been killing my lips. So 1 minute. Okay, I'm back guys. So I have my tweezer. I'm gonna use my tweezer instead because I can't find my gloves that I usually, you know, just perform this with. And I got some cotton balls. So we're just gonna squirt that on here. I wish I can, you know, just show you. I'm in my bathroom trying to hide from the little guy. So hold on 1 second. So we're just gonna, here, let me pause this and I'll show you how you know what, hold on. So I just put it on here like this. Well, let me put a little bit in, just in case if it rolls off, it'll roll off. And, okay, in the bathtub, right? So okay, I have it on here. So you don't want to put a lot because you don't want to drench it at the same time and also destroy your skin. So what I like to do, instead of like rub it on there, I like to pat it on there. I find that it's much more easier, much more effective for your skin. Like I said, I am not a dermatologist or a professional or esthetician. So we're just gonna, I'm doing this on my own free will. So again, so we'll pat that on here. And do not apply this when you like immediately shave after. I literally waited, well, me, I usually wait about a day and then apply it, or on the 3rd day, obviously, like I did. My tweezer is kind of a little poking me. Hold on. So I'll do it again. I'll get a fresh new cotton ball, right? Go in the bathtub, squirt a couple of drops on there, then I'll go back. So I use 2 cotton balls, and I'll just go all over the place. See how I'm just dabbing it on there? So basically this is just my regular routine. And I don't want to make this video as long, so if it is long, let me go ahead, you know, let me know in the thumbs up that you like the videos longs. I swear I'll be making up my own words. But yeah, let me put this, rub this in. See, like my 5 o'clock shadow's already coming in because of the fact that, you know, my pricklies are coming in. So That's what normally my underarms look like and stuff. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Now I'm just gonna fix up my hair and all of that. So later, enjoy your day, guys. God bless.